What does an old budgie do in the lockdown in Thailand? Well, apart from riding mostly every day but not far, only in the boundary of Chatham, I've been doing a bit of work on the bikes. And here is the new addition to the stable, the VN800. I call a bit of a low rider bobber. I got it off a friend of mine and it needed a bit of work doing to it, mainly cosmetic. So I've checked the valve clearances, reshimmed it and put the hypercharger on it, which makes a big difference. She runs really well and done all the little jobs on her now. I made the backrest for her and I made the saddlebag rails, made them out of some steel Volvo. And I put the little eagle on the front mudguard, took off the shrouds of the forks, made it look a bit more bobber style. And she does really well. She's a good addition to the stable and is now my second bike for riding around here. Very handy, especially when my friends turn up and I can let them borrow it for a ride. And here's my new addition to the stable, running nicely as you can see. And now we come to my main bike. Well, I've done quite a lot of work on it, fitted 11 new parts, such as a new set of white wall tyres, a front bumper rail and fender light. Also I fitted a whole load of gauges, which are all necessary if you're doing long distance and like to keep an eye on what the engine's doing. A water temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge, ammeter and vacuum gauge. I managed to get those all with the backing plate for that, and the rest of it I had to make up myself. Pretty much a lot of the stuff I made myself. However, also I rewired the bike, keeping it pretty much basic. One wire from the rectifier to the battery for the charging, and for the electronic ignition there's only one wire going into the black box now and two wires coming out. One from the sender unit and the other two wires go to the coils. Keeping it all nice and simple. The less wires the bloody better as far as I'm concerned. And it works really well. I've done a lot of other jobs such as adjusted the cams with the shims, and I checked the engine over, changed the oil, done all the usual stuff. Done the paint work on it. And I suppose I spent a lot of hours. And of course I've got some good writing time out of it. Anyway, you'll see everything in the video, which is now about to start, and you'll hear her running. She runs really nicely. And I'm very pleased with her. She's a good bike. I've done a hell of a lot of mileage on this bike, probably more mileage than you can imagine, in all over Thailand many times. I've got a navigator on it so I can go to any place I want to in Thailand now. Anyway, that's what I've been doing over the lockdown.